This is going to be a video tutorial on how to set a custom home page in the Brave web browser. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have the Brave web browser opened up now. To set a custom home page in the Brave web browser, it's very easy to do. If you look up top up here, you'll see a little icon of a little house up here. If you don't see it on yours, I'm going to show you how to toggle it on, but it should be, by default, it should be enabled. If I place my mouse cursor over it, it says open the home page. You can link this button here to any web page that you want. By default, the Brave web browser has it linked to its own new tab page. If I click on it, it opens the Brave's it's called a new tab page. But say you want to have a different web page open when you click on that. First thing you want to do is go off to the upper right hand corner up to where you see the 3-bar hamburger menu. You want to click on that. Then you want to go down to where it says settings and click on settings. From here, the pane off to the left hand side, you want to click on appearance. And then right down here, here is your show home button. If this is toggled on, then you should see your home button icon up top here. If it's toggled off, your home button icon will not be showing, so you want it toggled on. And then down below there, by default, it probably says new tab page. You want to toggle on the one below it, enter custom web address. I'm going to toggle this on. Then you want to copy the URL of the website that you want to link the button to. I'm going to go up top here. I'm going to click on Google. For the sake of this video, I'm just going to link it to google.com. I'm going to go up to the address bar up here. I'm going to click inside the address bar. I'm going to right click, go down to copy. I'm going to go back to the settings page, and I'm going to paste that URL into this little box here. And that's it. Now when I go to my home page, I'm going to click on the home page. Sometimes you got to click it a few times before it kicks in. But there's the website that I linked the home button to. If I click on it again, google.com. Sometimes you got to click it a few times before it registers. But that is how to set a custom home page in the Brave web browser. Thanks for watching.